Implants in the dental field have been the most popular method of replacing teeth that are missing and provide patients with a durable as well as natural-looking alternative. However, what's the recovery process after receiving dental implants? In this clip, we'll go over how to recover from dental implants as well as provide suggestions for a speedy process of recovery. 1. Understanding the dental implant surgery process. Before diving into the healing process, you must know what goes on in the dental implant procedure. It involves putting screws made of titanium inside the jawbone. This serves as the foundation to support the replacement tooth. When the implant is secure set, a dental crown is placed on it, making the process of restoration. 2. Immediate post-surgery care. When the surgical procedure for a dental implant is completed, patients are able to anticipate some discomfort and swelling. It is essential to adhere to the guidelines provided by your dental professional to treat these conditions successfully. Most commonly, you should take the prescribed painkillers as well as applying ice packs in order for swelling reduction and eating a moist diet so as to not put pressure on the area of implant. 3. Managing pain and swelling. The swelling and pain that occur are normal adverse effects associated with dental implant surgery. However, there are solutions to handle the signs effectively. Pain medications available over the counter can reduce discomfort. Meanwhile, ice packs are a great way to lessen swelling. It's important to relax and stay away from vigorous activities in order to let the body recuperate effectively. 4. Maintaining oral hygiene. Cleaning the area around your implant is vital to ensure the healing process goes smoothly as well as preventing infections. Your dentist may suggest the use of a specific mouthwash or rinses to maintain your good oral hygiene throughout the recovery procedure. It's important that you follow the instructions of your dentist and to avoid flossing or brushing on the implant site until the area has completely healed. 5. Eating a soft diet. During the first phase of recovery, it is crucial to stick on a gentle diet in order to prevent putting stress on the area of the implant. For example, foods like mashed potatoes, yogurt as well as soup are a breeze to eat and swallow, which allows the healing process to proceed without any interference. Avoid eating foods with a hard texture that could cause a disturbance to the implant site, which can slow speed of healing. 6. Follow-up appointments. After the dental implant procedure, patients will need scheduled follow-up appointments with the dentist to observe the process of healing. This is essential to be sure implants are integrating properly with the jawbone and there is no issue. It's crucial to keep any follow-up appointments and to follow any other instructions given by the dentist. 7. Long-term care. When the first recovery phase is completed, patients need to keep taking care of their implants for their long-term health. Maintaining a healthy oral routine, such as cleaning and flossing frequently, is crucial to ensure the overall health of the implant as well as its adjacent teeth. It is also essential to keep periodic dental examinations in order to assess the health of your implant and deal with any concerns quickly. 8. Final thoughts. Recovery from dental implant surgery is a process that requires patience and dedication. However, the results are well enough to be worth the effort. Following the guidelines given in this video, along with working closely to your doctor, you'll be able to assure a quick and efficient procedure for recovery. Make sure you take care of your oral health so that you can enjoy the benefits of having a stunning and functional smile by using dental implants. It'll be treated with excellence with a fraction of costs in Turkey. Therefore, why put off? Plan your dental holiday to Turkey right now to experience your benefits.